everyone, it's Crafty Mom with 3 sets of twins and a cat named Moonshadow who always entertains us every day. I just want to thank you for coming by and watching my video and my crafts. I hope that you will subscribe, like, hit the notification bell because Moonshadow and I would love it. Thank you and continue to watch. Okay, this is DIY number 1. I am really excited about these two projects that I've done. This is the bicycle wheel that you get from Dollar Tree. I was so excited to do this one. These are the fairy lights that you get from Dollar Tree. And honestly guys, this is quick and easy, and oh my gosh, it turns out beautiful. Wait till you see the end result. I was so proud to do this one. It's hanging on my door right now, and it's like having a little night light that is through my hallway at nighttime. Okay, I used these that I got from, I'm not sure if these were Dollar Tree or Walmart's, but they're the eucalyptus. And I'm not gonna really glue anything. I'm just gonna wire it to the wire bicycle wheel because everything has got a wire to it. The lights have a wire, the little flower garlands have a wire, and I'm just wrapping it around. And once you see the wire, you can't really see it. It's sort of like a clear wire, but like I said, it turns out fabulous. Absolutely stunning. So you're gonna watch me as I take this wire and just wrap it all around the wheel. And seriously people, anybody can do this. You don't need a glue gun. You just need your hands and the wired lights and the wired floral. And you could use any kind of floral that you want. Like I said, this was just quick and easy and oh so pretty. You are going to love the outcome. So keep watching and wait till you see the end result. Also, I want to say hi to all my subscribers. You guys are adorable. Y'all always give me the cutest compliments and comments. So sweet. I hope you're having a great day. For those of you who aren't subscribers and would like to, I would totally appreciate it. So if you'd like to subscribe, and if you hit the like button, it really helps my views because a lot of people watch and they don't hit the like button, which is fine. I understand that. But it would really help my views and my channel because I am pretty new. I'm almost to 6 months. I think I am at 6 months. But I am so appreciating all of you people. All right, you can watch me just twist those wires all the way around. And I try to do the next branch so you don't see the wire. So you'll keep just twisting it over and over. And I've got this pretty baby's breath that I'm going to put in there. Just cutting it with my wire cutters. And I'm just going to twist that too. I went back to find the bicycle wheels and I couldn't find any. I was so sad. I wanted to make one for my friend at church, but I wasn't able to get any more. Okay, I added the pink flowers, which I think is so pretty because it's like springtime and summer. Look how pretty that is. Now, I did end up, after I did it, I was like, I'm going to find something like a little knob to put on that wheel to make it look like a bicycle because, you know, it has that little cap on it. So I went out in the garage and I found this little cap and this rubber thing. So I glued this piece of rubber on there with the cap, which you'll see at the end, because I think it made it look more like a bicycle. Of course, I didn't visualize this till after I had finished it. But like I said, you can find maybe even a little bottle cap, but we don't have any bottles or bottle caps. But you could take a bottle cap and paint it black. I'm tying this little battery pack to the back. And it's pretty sturdy. I mean, I've had it hanging on my door and it hasn't fallen off or anything. It's been there for a week. Okay, maybe I did show it. Okay, there it is. There's a little rubber thing. And there's just a little piece that I found in this little toolbox. I was like, I loved to have had a bottle cap. So if you have a bottle cap, it would be perfect. So I'm tying this, I'm gluing this little rubber piece on there because this black piece has a little tip to it. So I had to, I'm sure that goes to something that I'll probably need later on. You know how that goes. You find that and then next thing you know, you look for a piece that goes to a piece and it's gonna be on my craft. And I'll probably forget about it. So there it is. Look at that. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. I light it up every night. This is my hallway. Look how gorgeous this is. People, you need to go make this. If you find it, definitely pick it up at the Dollar Tree. This is all Dollar Tree items. And there it is at nighttime. The other part was daytime. This is nighttime. Isn't it beautiful? I think it's beautiful. I do. And it's pretty simple and quick and easy. And if you got a bottle cap, bless you. There it is side by side. You see it one at night and one during the day. Oh my gosh, was that ever great? Okay, DIY number 2. Wait till you see this one. Okay, I have been collecting all these heathers for a good month or 6 weeks. My daughter always like, why are you getting more purple? I love purple. I have been wanting to do this one for a long time now. I was waiting to get a lot. I got this tub at Michael's. See it? Isn't it cute? It looks like a little spigot. And it's got little feet on it. So I have wanted to just fill this tub with flowers. And wait till you see how it turned out. Now, I didn't have to use any floral foam. I thought about using paper, like crunching up some newspaper, but you know what? I was putting in so many of these, it wasn't going to move. And it is now in my living room looking gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I think I used probably over 30 bouquets, okay? Probably around 35. But I guarantee you, if you had to go buy this in a store, it would be at least $100. At least. When you see the finished product, you'll see. It is gorgeous. These probably are my 2 favorites that I've done probably in a month. It's just so pretty. So colorful. Different shades of purple. Give it all that dimension. The green helps to just break up the purple. And it's pretty much done, but you'll see it in a minute. I think I'm going too fast on that one, so hopefully you guys can handle it. Look! Beautiful, fabulous, gorgeous. I love the way this turned out. It is so pretty. Just such a pretty piece. It sits in my living room, on my table. Didn't have to use any floral stuff that you stick in the, that you stick your sticks into. That's my other, like, on my, yeah, I love that. I was so excited about it. Had it in my mind for weeks and weeks because I kept collecting all the purples because sometimes they were always gone. So it took me about a month or 6 weeks to get it together. And I was like, I love the little feet on this little tub. It looks very vintage. There it is again. How pretty is that? Oh my God, I love it. Guys, it was beautiful. Thank you so much for watching me. I would appreciate if you would subscribe and hit the like button and the notification bell. You guys are absolutely wonderful. Just make sure that kindness matters, and kindness will change everything, guys. Be kind. Love you. Have a great day.